Okay, so in this video, we'll try to learn about how we can concatenate two lists, right? So basically, concatenate is meaning we are joining, how we can join two lists. So there are multiple methods, there are multiple ways. Here we'll discuss how we can use a plus operator and also using a extend method, how we can extend a list. So with that, let's get started. So we'll discuss about concatenating lists. Okay, so we'll learn about plus operator. So let's see first using a concatenating two lists using the, let's say, plus operator. So let me define two lists. Let me have a list 1 equals to A, B, C, and then I have a list 2 which is equal to D, E, F. By the way, don't use this list, it is a reserved for this it is like a function or constructor, it will give you error. So list can be started with underscore list name, or after that at the end you can type. Just I thought of telling you. Yeah, I think you already know that. Good, you're great people. Thank you. So these are the two lists, right? So I want a list which include A, B, C, D, E, F all together, right? So how can I use? I can use a plus operator, list 1 plus list 2. And when I say list 3, I will be getting a list which is, now you see this list is actually concatenated and pasted just after that. Okay, so if I have a case like let's say I have a list, let's say I have a list 4 equals to 1 4 6, then list 5 equals to, let me just keep it to a little bit more, 2 4 6. So even and odd, so let's make it even and odd. List odd and list even, something, right? So now final list will be list odd plus list even. So final list will be, so now it will not rearrange in like considering it's 1 2 3 4. No, it's not arranging, it's just simply appending a heading at the end of the list. So that is something you need to know and you need to understand that. We'll see this how we can even you can, this example I will talk to you in just after that, maybe how we can sort that list. So we will discuss that okay, not in this video, I'm planning it in the upcoming videos. I have some plan for that, but let's see the other way of doing. This is the one way, plus operator. We'll see concatenating okay, spelling mistake, concatenating two lists using the extend method. So now I have this list even, let's say I have a list odd dot extend is a function list even, and we'll see what we'll get. Okay, so now what we did, now we'll print list even first. List even will remain same, there is nothing will change here. However, we'll see what changes we have done in the list. So basically in this we need not to store, means you can store it. However, the idea here is when we need to use that, this is the list I want to keep on using. However, I want to extend some other list to it, right? So it has, so here you see I have created a new variable and I have stored that. Here I need not to create a new variable, because the idea where I want to use it, where I have an existing list which I want to add and just keep using that. So it has extended that list. Okay. I hope you learned something and you are liking my sessions. That's all in this video. See you in another video.